Turn down a bit.
Cool. So today is a very important day. Today marks history here in History Marching Show Band, and you are the history here. You're the history makers. So after a great performance from all of them, I want to thank all of you guys, you four, for giving me the opportunity to really come and step in. I know this year was very unusual, unlike any other years, and it's what makes special years special. So, without further ado, so your 2017-2018 Pittsburgh High School marching show band drum major is Junior Pascal.